Solarium offers you the chance to profit and also help our planet through sustainable energy sources. You just need to be registered in our platform through a referral link and purchase one of our plans, starting at just $25. Each active member has a unique virtual office where he can track your daily earnings and your team's performance through reports, purchase physical solar products, and have access to exclusive content about the ecosystem of solar energy. The contractual relationship between the investor and the company is until it completes a cycle of 300% gains on the value of the package purchased, which may take a maximum of 9 months. We offer our members 6 different income opportunities: daily bonus, direct referral bonus, indirect referral bonus, binary bonus, ranking and rewards, discounts and commissions in our products. Daily bonus. The company remunerates its members with 1.8% per day on the package invested from Monday to Friday on a fixed basis. The direct referral bonus allows you to earn 10% commission on any package purchased by someone through your direct link. For example, if you refer someone who buys a $2,000 package, you will receive a $200 commission. Indirect referral bonus. In this bonus, for each new member that your direct referrals bring, you will receive an additional bonus up to the 4th level. For the first generation of members below you, you will earn 2% on the package purchased by that person. For the second generation, it is 2%. For the third, it's 1%. And for the 4th generation, is also 1%. In total, there are 6% of everything the team generates below your direct referrals up to the 4th generation. Binary bonus. When you refer 2 new members and they purchase their packages, one of each side, your binary will be activated. And you can receive a 10% bonus of all your team's production on the smallest side. In Solarium's career and rewards plan, as a way of recognizing your work as a leader of a team, we offer rewards for an amount of total points on the lower side of your binary. Ranks and rewards. Solar Rank 1, $50 reward when you reach 2,500 points in your team. Remember that each dollar equals 1 point. Solar Rank 2, $200 reward when reaching 10,000 points. Solar Rank 3, $1,000 reward, and have 2 referrals, both Solar Rank 2, one on each side of your tree. Solar Rank 4, $3,500 reward. Solar Rank 5, $8,000 reward. Solar Rank 6, $15,000 reward. Solar Rank 7, $75,000 reward. Solar Rank 8, $250,000 reward. Solar Rank 9, $1 million reward. At Solarium, it's possible to have multiple accounts and investments using the same email. At this time, you can upgrade your package to a bigger one. To activate the purchased packages, the investment options are through Bitcoin or USDT. Be sure to use these networks and the values indicated correctly. Withdrawals are only through Bitcoin, in the wallet registered in your account by you. The minimum cash out is $10 on the 25 and 75 packages, and a minimum of $25 cash out for all the other accounts above $200. We charge a flat fee of just $5 on any withdrawal. It can be carried out from Monday to Friday. And why is Solarium sustainable and your best investment opportunity? Through the construction of solar projects and products, Solarium operates in dollars and does not depend on the fluctuation of any cryptocurrency. The clean energy market is constantly growing every day and moves millions of dollars per minute. With constant investments in technology, data protection, product launches, and many new features, Solarium is an extremely sustainable, rewarding opportunity with long-term passive income through clean and renewable energy. Be part of this project. The future is now.